Greeting from Marvin from Honda Tech. Today I will introduce our agriculture LORA system. And the full system is integrated with LORA and LORA gateway with our 4G wireless, Wi-Fi wireless model and the server software. And first I will introduce the LORA part. And for this one, that is the LORA collector, and that is another LORA collector, and that is the LORA gateway with a built-in Wi-Fi wireless model and our server and the software. And I will introduce part by part. And for this LORA collector, you can check it. And this port is the power supply, and the red one is the positive power supply, black one is negative power supply, and with the 12 voltage DC. And you can use your solar power system to power on it. And that is the antenna. And this one must be installed when you use it. And second, this port this one is used for to integrate it with the sensors. For this collector, and 240 for this number, it integrated 3 sensors, and that is leaf temperature and humidity sensor, and also the 3 layers soil moisture, temperature, EC, salinity, NPK, pH, and each layer can be measured 8 parameters, and totally in 3 layers. And so for this one, when you install it, and you need to bury a hole and then put it into the ground, and with the 3 layers, and it can measure the 3 layers this. And this one is the 11 parameters special for the agriculture, and built-in is the air temperature, air humidity, air pressure, and also the dew point temperature. And here this part is the ultrasonic wind speed and wind direction. And this part is the rainfall, deep bucket rainfall. And for this one, that is the illumination, and this one it is the radiation. And also it can calculate the ET0 and also the sunshine hours. So totally can be 11 parameters special for the agriculture. And when you install it, you can check it. This here is a bucket. Just install it into the stand pole, then it can work. And then we integrated these 3 sensors with this one LORA collector, and this LORA collector will send the data to the LORA gateway. And that is another LORA collector, and this one is 241 number. And for this one, it is also have 2 ports. So this port is for the power supply with 12 voltage DC. The red wire is the positive supply, black wire negative power supply. And for this one, it's just a reserve, no need to use it. And also here is another port. For this port, they connected 2 sensors. One is the 5 layers soil moisture, temperature, EC, salinity, NPK, pH, and each layer can measure the 5 parameters. And this one is the PAR sensor, and it's special for the monitor the radiation, special for the PAR radiation. And this one just connected, the 2 sensors connected by this waterproof connector. And there is no order, you just connect it directly, it's okay. And also for this one, for the 3 cables, also there is no order. You just connect the 3 sensors directly to any of the cable, is okay by the waterproof connector. So when you receive it, you just connect it by this waterproof connector, is okay. And the next I will introduce the Wi-Fi gateway. And first you can check it. There are 2 antennas, and you must pay attention to that. The 2.4G, this one is special for the Wi-Fi, and this one antenna is for the LORA. So you can check it. And for the we have marked here, and the red wire is the red one is for the LORA Wi-Fi antenna, and here is the Wi-Fi antenna. So must connect it in the right order, or it cannot work. And here is another power supply with a 12 voltage DC, just power on it. And that is built in the Wi-Fi And I will send the instruction how to connect your Wi-Fi, and then when you connect it to the Wi-Fi, the data can be come from the data will send to our server and the software. Then you can just log in the website to see the real-time data in the website. It's okay, and it is very easy. So that is the basic introduce of the system, and I introduced the whole again. And this is the LORA collector, and the LORA collector will collect the data from the sensors, and then the LORA collector will send the data to the LORA gateway. And the distance between the LORA collector and the LORA gateway not more than 300 meters. It also depends on your location. If your condition is very good, maybe 500 meters is okay. So it need you test your local. And this one also the LORA collector. The two LORA collector will send the data to the LORA gateway at the same time, and then the LORA gateway receive the data, will send the data to our cloud server and the software by the Wi-Fi. So just connect the Wi-Fi and then it can work. Okay, that's the basic introduce of this whole system. And here is some of the parts. And this is the RF5 to USB connector. And this one is got a spare part for make the config of the sensors, and normally no need to use it. And here is the spare cable, and which you can connect the sensor. And that is the basic some of the parts. And that is the rainproof case. For this rainproof case, and that is the install pallet. You just connect it for the other side. It can work. Okay, and we will send you this power adapter and for the LORA gateway, and you can use it directly. Okay, that is basically introduce all this whole system. If you have any problem, just send us inquiry. Thank you.